how you doing? I hope you had a good day. My name is Erica. If you don't know, if you're new to my channel, if you are a returning subscriber, hey, how you doing? Thanks for coming back. And sit back and grab a snack and be entertained and educated. Okay? So today I'm going to discuss menopause. I'm sure everybody know what menopause is, but just in case somebody don't, let me explain it to you, okay? Okay? We good? Okay. So pretty much menopause is a normal aging process of a woman. Menopause is when you have not had a period for a year. Or menopause can be surgically menopause, where you have your ovaries removed due to a hysterectomy. Perimenopause is the stage right before menopause. It's normally the age range between 45 and 55. And that's when your periods are irregular, or you just don't have one at all, but it's not longer than a year. So you still in perimenopause. Your hormone levels is going crazy, which causes you having all these symptoms: hot flashes, insomnia, weight gain, blood pressure spikes, itchiness, hair loss, diarrhea, gas, bloating, vision loss. I'm sorry, not vision loss. Yeah, vision loss, because your prescription is going to change. Your teeth will start acting up. Like you might need to go get your fillings, get new fillings, or get fillings period, because your hormones is going crazy, because your estrogen level is decreasing. Your ability to be able to reproduce is decreasing also. So that's what menopause is, and that's the quick and dirty, the less than 2-minute definition of what menopause is. So if you like what you heard, come on back and I'm gonna keep talking about it. I'm going to keep talking about it because I want women to learn what I know. Okay, have a good one. Bye bye.